This is box number 11 and the MRP is 1610, and you are getting all the decoupage napkins. These are total 42 designs, so I'm going to show you one by one so you can get the idea what all designs you are getting in this box. Okay, you can see the designs. These all are decoupage napkin 3 plies tissues. All 42 designs you are getting in one box, so it's a very good deal. In just 1000 rupees you are getting and free shipping. Forty-six designs are there, 45 to 46 designs are there, and you are getting for 1000 rupees and free shipping. This is box number 11.